Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss about what are ETFs, how to trade ETFs, pros and cons. ETFs stands for Exchange Traded Funds. They are listed on exchanges, that is NSE as well as BSE. ETFs are baskets of securities which are traded just like stocks. ETFs can be traded intraday also. Mostly traded ETFs are Nifty Bs, Bank Bs and Gold ETFs. Here I have opened a monthly chart of Nifty index from 2008 to till date. We can see that in October 2008, Nifty made a low of 2252.75. Now it's trading at all-time high of 12720. Meanwhile, during the same period, Nifty Bs has made a low of 23 and now it's trading at all-time high of 146. From this, it's quite clear that index can't be zero. If somebody is not able to give proper screen and richest time, ETFs are best sources of investments for them. So this is the data of last 12 years. In this last 12 years, Nifty has grown by 465%, while Nifty Bs has grown by 540%. If ETFs are generating such good returns, and that too without any deep research and analysis, it is better to stick with Nifty Bs. Now, let's go to the chart and understand the price movement of Nifty and Nifty Bs. Here, I have identified some major and minor crashes, where Nifty has crashed by almost 65%, 28%, 24% and 40%. At the same time, Nifty Bs has also crossed by 65%, 28%, 25% and 42%. The point to remember here is that whenever Nifty crashes by more than 50 to 20%, invest lump sum amount, sit tight and wait for next crash. Nifty ETFs are meant to buy and accumulate to meet our long-term financial goals. Now I will show you how to add Nifty Bs in Zerodha. In the watch list, just type Nifty ETFs. Okay. So here you can find Nippon India ETFs. Click on add. Suppose if you want to buy 500 quantities, okay, for long-term purpose, you need a margin of 68,200. Simply click on buy, and you can do intraday also. Suppose if you want to purchase 500 quantities of Nifty Bs in intraday, then the margin required will be somewhere around 4,500 rupees. But I strongly recommend you to go for long-term purpose instead of short-term. Now, the next important question is which type of ETF that one should select. For that, go to nseindia.com. In search button, type ETF. You will get ETF in live market. And there you have to select such ETFs which has highest volumes. You can arrange these ETFs as per volume. So you can see that the most traded ETFs are of Gold Bs, Nifty Bs, CPSE ETFs, Liquid Bs and Bank Bs. So I would go with Nifty Bs rather than Bank Bs. Now let's look at some of the positives and negatives of Nifty ETF. The positives are it is highly diversified, it has a least expense ratio as compared to other funds. The commission is very less and it's very easy to trade, as I have showed you how to trade in Zerodha. The only negative about this ETFs is it has a lack of liquidity, and some ETFs have high spreads. High spreads means you can see there is a lot of difference between bid price and ask price. Okay, it's nothing but buying and selling price. Suppose buyer is at 100 rupees, then you can say that seller is at 120 rupees. So such type of ETFs we have to avoid it, where you can see a higher amount of spreads. So finally, I would like to conclude that Nifty ETFs are one of the safest asset class which can give decent amount of returns in the long run. It's a buy on dips instruments. The major the crash, the more one should invest. Remember friends, stocks can go up and down. Okay, it can go bankrupt, but index can never be a bankrupt. Thank you and have a nice day.